everybody. Today we are going to be talking about gardening. My name is Diana and I work in the Youth Services Department at Mesa County Libraries. So today it's very kind of cloudy, but yesterday it was so nice and warm and sunny, and I think we're going to be starting to see that more. So if you are like me, you like to be outside and you like to be in the garden. So some of the things that we might grow in the garden are celery. We might want to grow some corn. We might want to grow some carrots. What about potatoes? Anybody like potatoes? Or even tomatoes. Some of those delicious things that we can put in our food. And speaking of food, I have a great story for you all about growing vegetable soup. And this story is by Lois Ehlert. Growing vegetable soup. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work, and our tools are ready too. We are planting the seeds and all the sprouts. So we have tiny little plants we're putting in the ground and giving them water. So important to water our plants. And waiting for warm sun to make them grow. So the sun is really important when we grow plants. And grow. So the plants are starting to grow and grow and grow into big plants. And they're starting to have fruit and vegetables on them. We watch over them and we weed. Until the vegetables are ready for us to pick. I see some tomatoes here. I see a bell pepper. Oh, and there's that corn again. Or dig them up, like the potatoes, for example. And we carry them home, and then we wash them. That's really important to do if we're going to be making some food with our vegetables from the garden. And we cut them, and we put them in a pot of water. Oh, okay. So that's something that you and your grown-up could do. You could take vegetables, cut them up, and then put them in a pot of water and cook them to make vegetable soup. And at last, it's time to eat them all up. And it was the best vegetable soup ever. And we can grow it again next year. And now we're going to be doing a finger play about gardening. It is called This Is My Garden. And I'm going to use this little piece of paper to remind me the words. And we'll stand up and do this together, okay? This is my garden. I'll rake it with care. And then some flower seeds. I'll plant them there. So plant your little seeds in your ground. The sun will shine and the rain will fall, and my garden will blossom and grow straight and tall. Awesome. Should we try it one more time? Here we go. This is my garden. I'll rake it with care, and then some flower seeds. I'll plant them there. The sun will shine and the rain will fall, and then my garden will blossom and grow straight and tall. Very good. And wasn't that a fun finger play, everybody? I'm glad you enjoyed it. So now we're going to read Planting a Rainbow by Lois Ehlert. And I'm going to ask my friend Andrea to come and help us read this book. And so would you come on in, Andrea? Thank you so much. All right. So if you could hold this book for us.
Certainly.
And
this is a big book, Diana.
Yeah, I love big books.
Oh, look at those beautiful big pictures.
I love it. Planting a Rainbow by Lois Ehlert. Okay, let's see what that means. I'm curious what that means. Every year, Mom and I plant a rainbow. In the fall, we buy some bulbs and plant them in the ground. So these little round things are bulbs, and little plants are going to come out of those. We order seeds from catalogs and wait all winter long. So these are seed packets, and inside these packets, flower seeds are in those, and then flowers will be planted. For the spring to warm the soil and sprout the bulbs. Oh, look, those are starting to turn into plants, those bulbs. And there's even some flowers that are happening here. Then it's time to go to the garden center and select some seedlings, so small plants to plant. We sow the seeds or plant them and set out the plants in the soil. Wow, look at all these fun plants. Lots of different flowers. And we watch the rainbow grow. Wow, look at all those pretty colors that are starting to come in. Whoa, and grow. Oh my goodness. Red, orange. We've got some blue and purples, and grow. We have some red flowers and some orange flowers. Oh my goodness. And some yellow blossoms. Pretties. Love the daffodils. And something green. Of course, we have to have some green things. And some blue flowers. And some purple flowers too. So all the colors of the rainbow, everybody. All summer long, we pick them and we bring them home. And look, they made a bouquet out of the flowers. How fun. And when summer's over, we know we can grow our rainbow next year. The end.
I really liked that one.
That was a great one.
Yeah.
So how should we end our story time today, Andrea?
Oh, you know, Diana, I really like ending with a song myself.
Oh, do you have one in mind?
I do. I was thinking of our goodbye song that we do at story time.
Okay.
So, yeah. So we'll need to get our clapping hands
Okay,
ready, everyone.
so everybody stand up.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, my dear friends. Goodbye till we meet again. Story time was lots of fun, but now our story time is done. Goodbye, goodbye, my dear friends. Goodbye till we meet again. Thank you for joining our story time today, and look for other ones on MesaCountyLibraries.org.